At Centurion, we build water sports towboats that create the world's best waves, wakes, and ride. But it's our extreme honor and privilege to introduce a limited edition series of boats that actually honors law enforcement, firefighters, and military servicemen and women. And we've taken this limited edition to a whole new level. It's actually available on our Ri237 and Ri257. It seemed only appropriate because these are our flagship boats, and well, we've covered them in flag. The Centurion Salute to Service Edition logo makes its home on a table that's part of this limited edition package, as well as a grizzly ice chest. This boat has everything you'll need to have a great time and is a fitting tribute to our servicemen and women. The Salute to Service editions are actually available in 3 different designs, and each of these designs will correspond with a different donation to a charity that relates to each of those. So if we sell a Salute to Service Military Edition, there's going to be a $2,500 donation given to a military charity. And if these boats are sold in Texas, we will give a $2,500 donation for each boat sold to the Foundation 1023, which is a foundation dedicated to perpetuating wellness for first responders. Visit your nearest Centurion Boats dealer to experience the Centurion limited edition Salute to Service boats. You won't be disappointed. And in the meantime, be sure to be thankful to the men and women that make our lifestyles possible.